This is a professional, good-looking website which I have just designed in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes I will be designing in front of you. So keep watching this. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Code for Beginners to Advance. So if you are HTML designer, or if you know basic HTML, CSS, and if you are taking longer time to design any HTML page, so this is the session for you. This is the session in where I will be creating the whole HTML corporate website using artificial intelligence. So I will be using ChatGPT. So before going ahead, let me just walk you through the what I have developed so far, and later on you will definitely see step by step how I have created this. So this is the HTML website, and this is the corporate website. So this website is totally designed with artificial intelligence, and if you see here, the very fresh, the animation effects, and if you scroll down, so like this, the about us, and then it will give us a section how we work, and then the portfolio, and then if I keep scrolling down, our teams, careers, and then contact us, and lastly we have footer. Okay, so let's start. So I will simply go to chatgpt.com. Let me just close and open the browser, and then we'll start. So we need to type here chatgpt.com. Okay, so here we are. Now, to build a website using HTML, CSS, what we have to do? So we have to make sure that we need to send as many as instructions to ChatGPT, so that the artificial intelligence can understand our instructions and give us the proper output. So what we are doing here nowadays, basically we are just simply typing like this: create website in HTML, CSS. So it will create a website still, but it will not give you a very enhanced, very professional, very good looking website to you. It will just create a basic HTML, CSS for you. Okay. So what we have to do now? Let me go to my notepad and see here what I have written here is. So before just directly jumping to the chatgpt.com, first prepare your content. What basically you need, what you would like to exactly see as per your requirement from ChatGPT. Okay. So here I have written create a professional corporate website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Okay. Then what I have given the points here. Number one, add navigation menus. Inside add navigation menus, give home, company, and then add sub menus in company, about us, career, portfolio, how we work, our team, right? And then add contact us. And then I have written here website should have responsive design, animation effects, design each page for navigation menus, add Google Map in about us, add nice slider in homepage with full width. I will copy this content. So we have to make sure we have to prepare first the content properly, the instructions basically what we have to give to chatgpt.com, so that uh, ChatGPT can understand better our instructions and provide us the expected output. Now I will simply paste here, and then it's magic now here will happen. Now let's wait for a few seconds, and it will give us a proper, good looking, professional, with animated effects. So everything whatever we have instructed to him, basically him is the artificial intelligence. So then he will convert, he will create a website for us, and it will give us a almost, I cannot say that it will give me 100% what I need, but yes, almost more than 90% it will give you. And then once it is completed, we need to scroll down here and see the content is created. We do not just simply keep this screen like this, always scroll down so that we know, okay, it is being created. Sometimes when we keep this browser, keep this scroll bar here in middle, so then what happens, it stops working and stops creating. creating a content for you. So keep scrolling down so that it will keep generating for you. So until the whole HTML generated code is finished, we have to scroll down. So it is creating a nice code snippet for us. It is also taking care of standards. So if you see here commenting, so in each section it is adding us commenting properly so that we can understand. So now care for careers has been generated. Now for contact has been generated. Now footer, now it is adding a scripts. That's it. Now we can see preview here also like this, but here somehow it will ask you few permissions. For example, it was asking for CDN permission. Now it is asking for Google. So allow. So what it will do here? It will somehow will not properly work here. So we don't need to worry about this. So basically, the structure we can see here like this. Now what we can do? We can close this and we can simply copy. Right here, it is a copy option. So I can copy like this. Now I will go to my browser. So I have HTML project folder already created in my C drive. I will simply create one folder here. So this is the website which we are building is a corporate website. Okay. Inside corporate, now what I will do? I will just simply open this corporate folder in my Visual Studio Code. Code space dot like this. It will open the folder. Now here what I will do? I will create one index.html file like this. Now the index.html file has been created. I will simply paste the whole code like this and control save, control S. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to File Explorer again. Now I will simply run with the browser. So I can double click also and I can simply do like this also. Open with Chrome browser. Now we can see here, this is the website which is being generated by artificial intelligence for us. So if we scroll down, so we can see the animation effects is there, about a section is there. So if you see here how we work is there, right? Whatever we ask to the chat GPT, almost uh, the chat GPT has given us. So here if we see little bit design is not up to the mark. So we will fix this with the help of artificial intelligence only. So how we can do that? That is also we are going to cover in this session. It's just not like that we have just given the instructions and the website is created for us. No, but still a few work we have to achieve. Okay. So here if we see the image is not coming, right? So if we go to our instructions, now if we compare, so Bootstrap JavaScript, that is fine, right? Now here add navigation menus. Let's check if this particular chat GPT has added all the navigation menus according to us or not. Let's see home, company. Okay, home is there, company. Okay, see, so great work here this artificial intelligence has done, because I said that add some menus in company, right? So I think it has understood my instructions properly and accordingly it has generated the HTML for me. So about us is there. See about us. So it is moving to the about us section. Similarly, career section. See career section. It is moving me to the career section here. Portfolio. Let's see. See portfolio here. It is okay. How we work. Let's see how we work. See how we work is working fine. Our team. Our team is also working fine for us. See. So now few glitches. So definitely, if you see here in Chat GPT, here in the bottom of the Chat GPT window, right? So this we have to make sure that we should read this. Chat GPT can make mistakes. Check important info. See cookie preferences. Okay. So Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence. It is not a human developer who is writing a code for us. Okay. So it can create mistakes. Now mistakes like here image is not coming, correct? Now one image also was not, see project one image is not working. Now Again here we are going to fix these issues by sending again the instructions to the ChatGPT. Now the problem here is, what basically we do here is, we simply go here and simply type something that this is the website is not working, something like that. We do not have to do such kind of things. How we can again send the proper instructions to the ChatGPT? Let's see here. So first of all, before going ahead, what we were checking? We were checking the navigation link. Till here it was up to the mark. Add contact us. Let's see contact us has been created for us or not. See, contact also created for us. Website should have responsive design. Let's see if it is responsive or not. So we can do, how we can check responsive mode? Simply right click, inspect element, and this second icon in the inspect element window, like this. So if I see this website is totally responsive, right? So much of efforts it this artificial intelligence has reduced of mine, right? So here I can see in different devices as well. See, so it's totally working fine, right? Responsive is working very nice for me. Okay, so responsive is also working fine. Animation effects we can already see here. If I refresh, so if I go down, so see, now the animation effects is working fine. See, so that is also working. That's great. Design each page for navigation menus. Now here I think this is what it has, the artificial intelligence has not done us for us, because it has created a basically single page application which is called spa. Single page application that's created. So once I move on to the specific sections, that is, so for us now what is not working? Okay, let me note it down. Number one, the project one image was not working. Okay, number two, uh, not added respective pages for each navigation menu. Okay, number three, I have seen something here which was not working. Yeah, this one, in our team section. In our team section, what is not working? Let's see, Rahul Verma. Okay, so image is not working for Rahul Verma, like this. Okay, okay, let's go ahead and check what else. Animation effects we have checked. Design each page, it is not working, so we are going to fix this. Add Google Map. Let's see if it has added Google Map in about us or not. Let me go to about us section. So it has successfully added Google Maps as well. Add nice sliders in home page full width. Let's see. Oh, that is also working fine. See, such a nice slider this artificial intelligence has added for us, which is great. So few things which is not working, according to my requirements. So almost 90% task is done by the artificial intelligence. For few things, now few things how we are going to fix this, right? So we do, if suppose project one image was not working, right? So if you will try to copy this, and if you will simply paste here, so it can now again what ChatGPT will do? ChatGPT will again create a new HTML, or maybe it will take a history of your previous chat, but still it will it will do some kind of mistakes. Okay, so now if we have already now we have already a HTML piece of code, right? What I can do now here is, to fix this, I am not going to copy the whole HTML or kind of that stuff. What I can do here, simply search for project one. Okay, let's search for project one here. This is the section. Now this is the particular card, right? And what was that not working? Image was not working. So simply what I will do here, I will copy this particular image, okay, like this, and paste here in the chat GPT, and we'll say here is not working. That's it. Now what it will do, it will give us a replacement of this image. Okay, now here it has given us a replacement of that image. Now simply what I have to do is just change the path of the existing project 1. Okay, now let's say in our website project 1 image has been fixed or not. Rahul Verma image is still not fixed. No, sorry, we were checking project 1, right? Project 1, where is, okay, this is the project 1, so still it is not fixed, right? Now what we can do here is simply say not working. This image is not working. So we have to remember this thing. So suppose if in what chat because this is a total session, basically a one session of all your chats. So ChatGPT will store your all chats, all previous chats history. Okay, so whatever now you are going to basically ask here, it will give a priority to your related content here. Okay, so first it will give a priority to your basically this content, basically this website related content, it will give a priority. Okay, so that image was not fixed, right? Now what I we can say here, this image is not working. Simply do like this. Now it will again give a new image. Let's see, let's wait. Oh, now here what it is saying, here are several good images. Okay, that's not an issue. Now again what we are going to do is, we are going to, if it is not working with that particular piece of code, so we will copy the card also. Okay, like this, and we'll say image is not working for above section. That's it, like this. Now it will give us a refined one. We need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now if you got a line break before the closing tag. Okay, now it has maybe there was a issue, not sure, but it has given a new HTML code. I will copy this and simply replace this card HTML like this. Now let's see, refresh the application. Now again the project 1 image is not. Let us see if this image is working. See, this image is itself is not working. What I will do, I will simply copy the URL of this image and will say is not opening, like this. That will give you a different image. Okay, now first of all it has given us a new link. Let's see here if it is working. This is working fine. So what I can do, I can copy this, or if we see this one, is this working fine? That is not working fine. So what we can do, we can copy this particular image and paste it here like this. Now this will work fine. So this image is now working fine, right? Okay, let's move on. So first point, we have fixed it. Okay, so we should always know how we can fix with the help of artificial intelligence also. Okay, so artificial intelligence also expect a kind of some intelligence from you as well. Okay, now here not added respective pages for each navigation menu. Correct. Now let me go here and simply say you have not added, and copy this content. We have not added respective pages for each navigation menu, and then I will write, can you create individual HTML content for respective navigation menus I instructed first. Okay, or I instructed initially, we can say like this. Now let's see and let's wait for the response. Okay, now if you see here, that's a great next step for delivering. Okay, now if you see here, now it has given me the structure. Okay, that's fine. Where is the code? What it is saying, it is saying that you can copy the proper if you see here, what artificial intelligence is trying to say us, because we have all our code sections here, right? If I search for about, so he's saying that copy this particular content to your about.html. But we are not going to do that because we need to reduce the time, correct? Can you create each HTML code for me for each pages like this? Now let's wait, it will do for you. So always we have to make sure we should know the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That only we can we will be able to achieve this. Now what it is doing here is multi-page corporate site file, right? It is now again building a fresh index.html for us. But basically we don't need that, right? What we can do now, so I have stopped here. What I will ask here, so this way it's not working, right? What I will do, I will simply say create a content, okay? Create a content for my about us page like this, okay? Now I will go here and will create about us.html file like this. Let me add hyphen like this, and now it will give us a about.html. So if you see, if I copy this, paste here, and simply run this application. So if we see here, now the whole the website template is same. Now here we can see the about page. Similarly, we can ask to artificial intelligence for career also. Okay, I will ask create HTML for career. So this is the career page HTML. Let's wait till the end. So much of HTML it is generating for us career page. That's good. It has generated. Let me copy and simply create here again new file, which is career.html, and simply paste here the code. Now let's try with career.html. I can simply change the path from above also, career.html like this. See, the nice script has been designed by the artificial intelligence. So here we have learned how we can create a corporate website in HTML, CSS, JavaScript using artificial intelligence in few minutes. So if I now compare the efforts time with the developer, definitely this is going to be a 4 to 5 hours or maybe one day of work for developers, HTML developers, right? But now if you see here, we have created a nice design, professional design using artificial intelligence, and there are so many things which are working fine: responsive design, animation effects design, add Google Map, add nice slider. How we have seen how we have fixed this, right? Now in our team section, image was not working for Rahul Verma. Let's go ahead and see for Rahul Verma where it is, this one. Now what I will do, I will simply search for Rahul Verma in the index.html, and if you see here, this is the Rahul Verma. Now here this image is not working. What I will do, I will simply copy this img and simply say here this image is not working, like this. It will give me a refined image which is working. So we can first of all see from here itself whether it is working. It's not working. Now if we see this image, is this working? Yeah, it is working fine. What we can do, we can copy this HTML and simply paste here. And now if I refresh, now in Rahul Verma also there is a image like this. Now this was the simple basic website which we have created using ChatGPT, right? Now if I want some advanced features or something, some kind of good animations, whatever is coming in my mind, what I can simply do now, first of all I will copy this index.html, okay, like this. I will paste here and will go down. Can you add more comprehensive code attracting design to my HTML code above, like this. Now what it will do, ChatGPT will first understand your code which you have pasted here, and according to that it will give all the changes in that respective code only, okay. It is not going to create a new HTML file for you. So we have to make sure all of these things while we are working with the artificial intelligence. Now if we see here, nice, so it rebuilt, right, more polished, modern, attractive design while keeping all original sections and functionality. So it's totally up to you how you are sending the instructions to the artificial intelligence to get your work done. Now simply I will copy this. I hope it has generated. No, it is keep generating now. Let us wait for completion of this generation. So in between, I would like to say, if you are HTML designer, if you are creating your HTML manual ways, so guys, please upgrade yourself, because in later the HTML CSS hardly there will be a, designers. I'm not just saying that you will not get a job. No, you will get a job, but definitely you need to upgrade yourself to, make compatible your skills with your artificial intelligence also, because nowadays artificial intelligence is in a boom market. I will just keep scrolling down until it's completed. Okay, now it's completed. Now I will copy the code. Now I will paste here like this. Now let's see what it has generated for us. This is the index.html. If I will say, now if you see here, it has, see, refresh, see the nice effects. So it's looking very nice now. See, it has completely changed the look and feel for my application, and considering the same content. If you see here, how we work remains there, about remains there, right, portfolio is there, our team remains there. So everything whatever we had previously, it has maintained all of our sections here, and created a nice and very attractive design for us. So let us summarize what we have learned in this session so far. So we have learned in this session, number one, we have basically generated instructions what we need from artificial intelligence, and we are using here ChatGPT. So we have noted all our instructions in our notepad file before, say, just deeping dive into ChatGPT. So here all these instructions we copied and then pasted here, and then it gives us a nice HTML page for us. Then what we did, we just copied and pasted here, and then we checked that whether all these particular features the website is adding, basically ChatGPT has added these features or not in our application. So we tested each and every point. So in the conclusion, what we basically figured out that project one image was not working, not added respective pages. So in our team section image was not working. So we fixed all these points successfully with the help of artificial intelligence only. So if you see here, in only 30 minutes, I have created such a nice website for us. So it is very beneficial for you if you are a beginner, if you are preparing yourself for the interview. You can create a nice HTML templates for you and showcase your portfolio in front of your interviewer. So keeping in the mind that place must take a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So basically, you should know what this piece of code is doing, what, how the classes are working, how the IDs are working, what is this link. So you should know basically what all these are, uh, developed for what use. So this is you should know. Now here if I talk about optimization, so you can do optimization. You can shift this whole CSS into one CSS file, like, right. You can create a proper headers, you can create a header files, and you can simply paste there this particular navbar. This header also you can move into the header.html. About, you can move this particular section about.html. For how do we work, you can create a new file with how we work and move this particular HTML in that file. Similarly portfolio, similarly team, and similarly for the rest of the content. So I hope you guys have learned so much things here in this particular session, and this page is looking very nice to me. uh, let me know in the comment box, is this looking to you good or not? Whatever, what are your thoughts, basically what you are thinking in your mind. So you should comment it in a comment box. So thank you guys for watching this session. I hope you are learning, and as I always say, keep growing, keep learning, and take care. Have a good day. Thank you so much.